Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to everyone. Now let's continue discuss about the sum of the first n term of geometric progression. Okay, so for the sum of the first n terms, there are two formula that we are going to use. Okay, which is first formula is r. Okay, the condition r greater than 1, and if you can see, if r greater than 1, okay, the r power of n is come first, and also r over r, and then r less than 1, okay, the r power of n comes later, also r. Okay, without any further, let's continue discuss the question example. Okay, find the sum of each of the following geometric progression. Okay, let's look question A. As usual, we collect all the information first, referring to the formula. Okay, the formula must contain whether n, a, or r. Okay, first a equal to 10, and then we must determine r is common ratio. R equals to, again, I repeat, T2 over T1, so equal to negative 5 over 10 equals to negative 1 over 2, and negative 1 over 2 is less than 1, so we are going to use this formula, the second formula, which is r less than 1. Okay, and then the value of n is the first 9 term, that means n equal to 9, therefore S9 equal to okay, by referring to the formula, substitute all the information that we collected. Okay, a 10 times 1 minus r is negative 1 over 2, power of n equals to 9, close bracket, over 1 minus negative 1 over 2 r. Okay, and then this is what we call it as sum of n first term, the first n terms, okay, of the progression. The rest, okay, what do we do after this is by using your previous skill, simplify until you get the final answer. Alright, so you get 10 times 1 minus negative 1 over 2, power of 9 equal to bracket negative, because of the index or the power of the base is negative, so negative 1 over 2, power of negative 9 is negative remain, or 1 over 512, and then over 1 minus negative 1 over 2, you get 3 over 2. Okay, and then simplify, so you get by using calculator, okay, you will get 513 over 512 over 3 over 2, so your final answer would be 855 over 128. Okay, and let's look question B. Continue with question B. Okay, as usual, collect all the information given. As usual, a equals to T1 or 2 r. Okay, 2 over 3 divide by 2, so you will get by using calculator 1 over 3, so r is less than 1. Okay, as usual, we are going to use the second formula. How about if I want to use the first formula, which is Sn equal to r power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. Okay, how about this one? Okay, we not follow the rule, but just want to see what happen if we use the first formula. Okay, and then 2 over 7 to 9, this is Tn. That means Tn equals to 2 over 7 to 9. So what is the value of n? Okay, so we must find or determine the value of n first before we want to find the value of sum of Sn. Okay, so 2 over 7 to 9 equal to a is 2 times r is 1 over 3 power of n minus 1. Okay, so and then what do we do? Okay, so 2 over 7 to 9 times 2. Okay, so cancel, so we get 1 over 3 power of n minus 1. Okay, we expand the formula, the index, so we get 1 over 7 to 9 equals to 1 over 3 power of n minus 1. Okay, so 3 by using the calculator, 7 to 9 is equal to 3 power of 6. And then what do? Is we equate. Okay, equate the index. Right? So n minus 1 equal to 6, so n equals to 7. Okay, so from here, after we get the value of n equals to 7, therefore S7 equals to, okay, we use this formula. Okay, we are not use formula of r less than 1. Okay, we want to see whether we can use the both formula, right, or just follow the regulation. Okay, so let's look. Okay, a equals to 2, and then 1 over 3r power of 7 minus 1 over r 1 over 3 minus 1. Okay, so 2, so 1 over 2187 minus 1 over negative 2 over 3. Okay, so equal to 2. Okay, simplify. We can simplify 2 here and here, and then so we'll get, okay, negative 3 bring upward, so equals to 1 over 2187 minus 1, we will get 2186 over 2187 negative. Okay, because of both are negative, become positive, and by using the calculator you will get 2186 over 729. Alright, so if you using decimal, 2.998 and approximate to 3. Okay, so the conclusion is, okay, either you use the second or the first formula, okay, is okay as long as you know how to find the value of a, r, sn, or tn, or n. Okay, so either formula you can use. Okay, that is the conclusion here. Okay, now let's continue with example question. Number 2, the sum of the first n term of GP is given by Sn equal to, okay, 2 power of n plus 3. Alright, 2 power of n plus 3, okay, minus 8. Find the sum of the, okay, the third to the 8th term. Okay, before that we must collect, we must know what is a, what is r, and so on. But before that, we must determine the sequence. Okay, sequence of the geometric progression. Okay, Sn. Okay, formula Sn is given. That means, for your information, if a equals to Tn as well as equals to Sn. Okay, so a, therefore a equals to 2 power of 1 plus 3 because n equals to 1. Okay, minus 8. So a equals to 8. And then T2. Alright, T2 equals to S2 minus S1. Okay, that means 2 power of 2 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, this is for S2 minus S1. So equals to 2 power of 5 minus 8. S1 is 8, so minus 8, so you get 16. Okay, from here we know T1. Okay, T1 equals to 8 and T2 equals to 16. Okay, therefore how to find R? So R equals to T2 divided by T1, so 16 divided by 8, so we get 2. 2 is greater than 1. That means we are going to use the first, okay, the first formula of the sum of n first term, R greater than 1. Okay, now back to the question. Find the sum of third to, okay, the sum of third term, alright, to 8th term. Okay, so let's draw the diagram. Okay, this is let's say this is the number line for T1, T2, T3, and so on until T8, T7, let's say. Okay, so the sum of the first third term until 8th term. Okay, this is the question asks you to find the sum of from the third term to 8th term. Okay, so what we are going to use is we determine the sum of first 8th term and then minus with first and second term. Okay, first and second term, if you want to know, is 8 and then 16. So that means what we are going to do is, right, the sum of third term to 8th term is S8 minus with 8 plus 16, because this is first sum of first term and second terms. Okay, so okay, let's find the S8 here minus with 8 plus 16. okay, which is equals to 24. Okay, 8, right, 8 is the first term, okay, times 2 power of 8 minus 1, 2, okay, 2 is the common ratio over 2 minus 1, okay, so, and then minus 24. Okay, so 8, you will get 255 over 1 minus 24. So the answer is 2, 4, 2, 0, 4, 0 straight away. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, alright. So now let's continue with number 3. Okay, the last question you are going to discuss. Alright, how many terms of geometric progression, okay, this is the sequence, will add up to sum of negative 1360. Okay, so from the question, first what we do is collect all the information, and A equals to 16, R equals to negative 32 divided by 16, so you get negative 2. So negative 2 less than 1, so we are going to use Sn equal to A 1 minus R power of n over 1 minus R. Okay, and then what is the meaning of will add up to sum of negative 1360? So that means negative 1360 is Sn. Okay, equals to negative 1360. Okay, and then substitute A equals to A, right, and R equals negative 2 is value of R equals to negative 1360. That means, okay, the question asks you to find n, okay, number of term. So let's continue, let's discuss for the answer. A equals to 16 times 1 minus negative 2 power of n over 1 minus negative 2, okay, equals to 16 1 minus negative 2 power of n over 3 negative 1360. Okay, so 3 times with 16 and 16 bring to the left, so you get negative 1360 times 3 over 16 equals to 1 minus negative 2 power of n. So by using the calculator, okay, and I rearrange back the equation, so 1 minus negative 2 power of n equals to negative 255, right? So bring to the right, so negative 2 power of n equals to negative 255 minus 1, so you get negative 2 power of n equals to negative 256. Okay, so because of both are negative, so it become positive, so negative 2 power of n equals to 256 equals to 2 power of 8. Okay, 2 power of 8, because of the index is even, okay, even, therefore if you want to put negative here is okay, because we want to equate with same base and equate the index, therefore n equals to 8. Okay, just simple equating only. Okay, so so as a conclusion, okay, for the sum of the n first term of geometric progression, you either can use the first or second formula to find the answer. Okay, that is the conclusion. Okay, until now, I hope you understand, and thank you.